Hey, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Anissa video column. And this week I have a real rock star with me. I have Emily here, and Emily is with Tim's Cleaner Carpets and Restoration out of Hamilton, Montana. Very cool area. That's about, for those of you who may not know much about Montana, it's a small town, about an hour south of Missoula.
Exactly.
Yeah, really cool area. So anyway, thanks for being with me, Emily. Emily has just spent the last week in our class in Montana as well. So you asked a question of me last night, and I invited you on camera, so thank you for coming, and I wanted you to ask me that because I think it'll benefit a lot of people. So what was that you asked me last night?
So my question was, how many people do you get attending your course who have been in the industry for a long time? Because I've grown up with our family business in the industry my whole life, and how much do you know and how much do you not know? So
okay, so do I get a lot of people, or have I had people who've been in the industry for a long time, and have they benefited from the class? Is that kind of what you were saying? Okay, actually, yeah, I've had quite a few people that have come into the class that have been in the industry for quite a while, and to be really honest with you, sometimes that's a little bit intimidating. Obviously, you know a ton of information and have a wealth of knowledge and ability, and I really enjoy having people that have been in the industry for quite a while come to my class, because I always learn as well, and that is really great. I love to see people that have been in the industry for a long time. It's very encouraging. For those who have, the thing that I find is they do get a lot of benefit from being in the class, as long as they're open to change. Look, we're in an ever-evolving world. Right now, we are filming this in September of 2020, so that statement has never been more true, right? Every day, we seem to evolve and change, and in our industry, with new technologies, and cleaning solutions, and softwares, and as things the light gets brighter, if you will, there's a lot that changes in the industry. And so for those who have been in the industry for quite some time, who are saying, look, I want to stay cutting edge, I want to stay on the edge of where the knowledge is at, and I'm willing to open my mind, take a class, and be willing to a different perspective and see if there's maybe a little better way that I can do a thing or two to really improve my company, thus my client's experience. I think that is amazing, and I get that a lot. So yeah, thank you so much. What a good question. I've actually never, in the 6 years I've been doing Ask Anissa, ever been asked that. So that was really, really powerful. She's like, I get the present. Now, I did say, I want to say it was Jason a couple weeks ago that I said, best question ever. I'm sorry, Jason. Emily might have just kicked you off the throne. I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you anyway for that.
Yes.
So anybody watching, anybody watching the video who has been in the industry for a while and wanted to have some more conversation about that, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'd love to have more conversation with you. All right. Well, on that note, you know the drill. Be sure you are subscribed to rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter so that you can get this and lots of other goodies in your email inbox every Friday. And on that note, I will see you in next week's video column.